Welcome to the India Adda. I think you've been a regular visitor to the Adda for the past couple of years. So please tell us your experience visiting here and how do you feel about it?
Yeah, my name is Ramanan and I'm the CEO of CMC. And we have been here for the last 4 years, every year. And I have been a regular person at the Indian Adda. And I have to compliment you on it's becoming better every year. After all, Davos is a platform where you meet people and you network among them and their company, CEOs, ministers from various countries, as well as NGOs who have special causes to talk about. And the Adda provides a wonderful platform for us to meet many of them, to interact with them, and to follow up on areas of mutual interest.
You mentioned about Davos. So how do you see changes in the trends and discussions and in terms of interactions happening in Davos over the couple of years, the couple of last 10 years?
Yeah, over the last 4 years that I have been here, every year Davos is unique in the sense that it picks up what is trending in the rest of the world, what is most important to be discussed. In this year, the special topic of discussion is social inequality and how do you bridge that. But in the previous year, it was all about economy and emerging economies and different parts of the world which were coming up. So every year, the theme resonates with what is most important happening in the world. And I think it provides everyone a wonderful opportunity, not only to meet people, but also to reflect and deliberate on issues which are concerning most and which need to be tackled.
You mentioned about India. So do you think that India has been featured a lot at this time at Davos?
I think over the last couple of years, India has been featuring more and more in Davos. I think the quality of the companies who are coming here and presenting themselves and organizing interactions and receptions is of a very high order. And the Indian government has been very supportive and is always present here with very senior people from the government making their presence. And therefore, it adds a lot to the sincerity and the value that Indian companies place on the meetings in Davos, and the government is supporting them in that manner.
My last question is regarding the Indian economy. So everything boils down to the Indian economy and investments taking place. How do you see, what are your forecasts and observations for the Indian economy in the next 10 years?
I belong to the IT profession. I'm part of Tata Consultancy Services and the Tata Group. So I can talk from an IT perspective, and I think there are many experts who can talk about other areas of economy. From an IT perspective and from a technology perspective, I think the opportunities for Indian companies is very good. And we are now more and more engaged with many companies across the world, not just in providing IT support services or software development services, but we're also involved in developing products, developing solutions, getting more into knowledge management, consulting, and so that augurs very well for the Indian industry. So over the next 5 to 10 years, I do think technology will continue to play a very important role in the growth of the Indian economy. And as more and more companies mature themselves in processes and in innovation and in product development, I think India is going to do very well.